Hi friends, welcome to Gyan Ganga e-learning platform. Our today's topic is on Operation Research assignment of April 2021, and our answer is for the question number 6, which is on the game theory. Okay, let's see the answer of question number 6 of April 2021 assignment, Operation Research.
Hello friends, we have the problem here. So to find the solution for this problem, let us look over the steps given here. Step 1, find the row minima for each strategy, and step 2, find the column maxima for each strategy. So we need these two data to find out the solution. So here row minima, and here we will write it as column maxima. As we can see here in this particular row, row minimum, in the sense we need to write down the minimum element, that is the least element in this particular row. So out of 20, 15, 12 and 30, we have the minimum element, that is 12. So out of 25, 10, 8 and 12, we have the minimum element, that is 8. So out of 45, 10 and 5, we have the minimum element, that is 5. So out of minus 5, 4, 10 and 0, we have the minimum element, that is minus 5. So, and in step 2 we can see we need to find out the column maxima for each strategy. So these are the columns B1, B2, B3 and B4. So for these columns we need to find out the column maxima, that is the maximum element in that particular column. So here we have 20, 25, 40 and minus 5. So in this 40 is the maximum element. So similarly 10, 15, 5 and 4. So out of this 15 is the maximum element. So in this we have 12, 8, 10 and 10. So here we have 12 as the maximum element. So here 30, 12, 5 and 0. Here we have 30 as the maximum element. So next what we need to do is to find out the maximum value in the row minima and the minimum value in the column maxima. So that is out of 12, 8, 5 and minus 5, we need to find out the maximum value. So here the maximum value is 12. So in the column maxima, that is in this column maxima, we need to find out the minimum value. So out of 40, 15, 12 and 30, minimum value is 12. So this is called as min max value, that is minimum of the maximum value, and this is max min value, that is maximum of the minimum value, max min. So since here we can see that max min value equal to min max value equal to 12. So by this we can tell that, we can confirm that the saddle point does exist, and here the saddle point is greater than or equal to 0. So we can tell this as this is a strictly determinable game. Remember friends, we need to mention this particular statement so that to obtain full marks. Also we can see here this particular saddle point, that is 12, which is even found in A1 into B3 and even in A2 into B4. So the optimal strategy becomes for player A, A1 or A2, for player B, B3 or B4. So from this the value of the game, value for game is 12, and the saddle points are A1 B3 and A2 B4, that is A1 B3 that is 12 and A2 B4 that is 12. So we need to mention these particular steps so as to obtain 100% mark. Thank you friends.